Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is what's going to happen in the next 3 to 6 months for Virgos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. We're gonna look into detail how things will be for you in your love life, your life in general. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Winds Tarot, like and share, friends. Yes, please subscribe, like and share. We work very hard, so make sure to subscribe our channel. It keeps me motivated, friends. Thank you so much for giving us your love and support. It means a lot. Thank you so much for donating to our channel, friends. Thank you. It helps me to buy the new decks for you, for the readings. And thank you so much. It means a lot. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And I'm doing these readings because many of you requested this reading for your horoscope. So here it is now. And make sure to join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. So let's start. So let's see first the theme for Virgos. How are you feeling? Theme for the next 3 months, for from currently also, how are you feeling? Virgos, ooh, 10 of Swords, feeling at a dead end. Virgos, 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 I feel for you. You are going through challenges. You're not feeling well. You are struggling with some endings and struggling with life and anxiety also. I feel currently you are trying to recover from losses, close things, recover from things lost in the past. Virgos, okay, for yeah. Some of you are struggling with money issues, some of you are struggling in love. So there is struggle in your life, friends, and you are trying to be strong. Yes, you are trying to be strong. But nevertheless, you are sad about it. You are also feeling antisocial at the moment. 4 of Cups, yes, unhappy. 4-4 again, 4-4 energy, Virgos. You are feeling dissatisfied from life, from relationships. You are feeling like you don't know what to do. You are also feeling like you don't have any options. You can't you don't have much options in love, work, career, money. There is this dissatisfaction. So you have made you have made peace with it. You are like, okay, fine, if there is nothing I can do, so why I cry? But somewhere you are a little upset about it, Virgos. This is not how, this is not your usual energy. What's happening with Virgos? 2 of Cups, you want love, you want partnership, you definitely want it, but it's not happening right now, or something has been lost in the past. You want love, you want companionship, you want support, you want this union, you want this eternal love, you want to be with somebody. But right now, love is on your mind. Love, you are yearning for love, but something is going on. Oh, Virgos, I feel for you. So let's see how your person is feeling, Virgos. If you have a person, or if someone is coming in the future, let's see how that person will be feeling for you. Okay, purpose. Wow. So someone that's coming, your lover is definitely having a purpose in your life. Like this person, they are focused on their life goals, on their life purpose. Wow, you have someone very committed coming towards you, or in your life in the future you are going to have, Virgo, someone very committed, someone very focused. If you have been in if you are asking about a past person, so I'll keep it very simple here, not to make anybody confused, not to make any confusions in anybody. I'm talking about any lover. It could be your new lover, or it could be somebody from your past, or you are with currently. Okay, so let's keep it that way. That way we are simple. It's easier for everybody to understand. So let's see. Oh, your person is very committed, friends. This person is very committed to their work, to their career. They are also perhaps an awakened person, or someone very spiritual, or they are focused on their life right now. And maybe you have an ending with this person, Virgos. And I also feel, Virgos, that This person has a purpose in your life. This is a fated connection. I know what I am here to do. See, they know what they are doing, they know who they are. So you have a very, very smart person, Virgo. You have very awakened spiritual relationship. It is a twin flame union or a very strong destined soulmate connection. So let's see what's happening in your love life, Virgos. Ooh, okay. Ten of Cups, Soulmate, Hermit. Oh my god, there's a lot of cards. We'll have to take them all now. Let's see. Ten of Cups. Yes, fulfillment is coming towards you, Virgos. Fulfillment is coming towards you. You know, you are aching for home. You are aching for this union. You are aching for this happiness, marriage, commitment with this person, or, you know, definitely there is somebody you want. There is somebody because you have that person in your mind right now. High Priestess, yeah, this person could be spiritual, or they are someone very wise, someone very intelligent. Also, there might be an age gap between you and this person. I feel like you have entered this connection, or the connection is in going through tough times, but there is still a very strong telepathic connection between you and this person. Virgos, I also feel that in the future things will get better. I do see things getting better. And this person, they are very intelligent. They can understand your mood swings, your nature, why you are not talking to them. This person is very intelligent that you are have in your life, Virgos. And even if it could be a same sex relationship for some of you, I do see this connection has a lot of swings, lot of changes. It is a very transformative connection because this is a very destined and fated connection, Virgo. So this connection is teaching you something. You must learn. You must learn, and I think this person is learning also. So you both have something to learn here, and brings even more love and happiness to the world and to this connection, temperance. Things are going to balance out. Yes, things are going to balance out, Virgos. It will take some time, but this connection, your love life is going to balance out. But you also need to make some changes. You are in a very stuck energy, Virgo. You are like in this four energy. Four is the energy of feeling closed, being in a square box, feeling closed, not taking action, feeling not sure. But you have to take action. You have to do something here, Virgos, to make this relationship work. Manifest, yes, magician. Oh my god, you are crazy manifestors, you and this person. So, yes, this is your twin flame, your divine masculine, feminine. They are coming for you, friends, yes. And also, I feel that you can, there is, divine is manifesting something for both of you, a union, a spiritual union, a healing. Hermit, yeah, this is your energy. I also feel your person is also quite antisocial, just like you. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. They could be a Virgo themselves, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. So, they are shining the light. They are keeping their heart open for you, even though they are focused on their life, on their career. But I do feel this person, your person, Virgos, have high hopes with this connection. And I see you uniting in the future. Why? Because you guys are soulmate. This is your destiny. This is your purpose. You're supposed to be with them. It is, you guys are very far away right now, but all the roads lead to home. Look at that. This is your home, your ultimate person, your happiness. Maybe this person is from your homeland, or you guys will, travel together to some city or country which you are destined to. You have a purpose. You have a purpose. This person, all roads lead home. This person has a purpose to be in your life. This is not just everyday relationship, and you know this, Virgo. But the challenge is, you are not ready. There is a massive ending. Things are stuck. This person is also not. Let's see what is happening with this person. How do they feel about this connection? The High Priest and the High Priestess. Oh my god. Oh my god, Virgos, do you need more confirmations? Oh god, holy moly. Oh my god, I have never seen these two cards together in my 2 decades of reading. I have never seen them together just like this, on the same reading, on the same point of time. Oh my god. I mean, they come like in yearly readings at different places, different months, but like they came in the same reading. Unbelievable. You guys, your person is very traditional. They have high values. They want marriage. They want commitment. And yes, they respect you. They respect you if you come towards them. And, um, if you both are together, this person will respect you. Guys are perfect for each other. Look at that. You have a higher purpose. This is not an everyday connection, Virgo, so don't expect to solve things like that. This is, this is your homeland. This person is your home and they are your home. So, my God, I don't know what's going on, but you need to figure out ways to reach back to love. Find your way back to love because all roads are leading. This is the relationship of your life. You have a purpose together. This is not something you get every day, and they definitely want commitment. This person has high principles. They have high hopes, expectations, and maybe that's the reason things didn't work out in the past. But you have to rise up to the plate, Virgos. It is tough. They also have to rise up, but I think you will manage to do it. What else will happen for Virgos in the future? Chaos and conflict, number 33. Yeah, you feel a bit confused whether to go towards them or not, whether to stay single or, to change or not to change. You have a lot of confusion going on, Virgos. Also, this is not just about love, this is also in work. Don't be afraid to change, Virgos. Don't be afraid to change. Because change is the constant of life. Change is wonderful. If you read maths, change is good. Change is good. If you see nature, every day there is a change. The sky is never constant. Oh my god, yeah, number 2. So love is coming. Stay open to good things, Virgos. Don't close off yourself. Don't be stuck on the past. Don't feel sorry for yourself. Say yes to good things coming your way. Say yes to love and say yes to this amazing destination of yours, this love. Chop wood, get to work, Virgos. Yes, it is time for you to get to work and I feel like, Virgos, you're closing yourself, to good things coming into your life. Somewhere you are not feeling like you deserve them, or you are ready, or you are not willing to put in the effort. Maybe because you are feeling tired right now, but I do feel in the future you should work hard because all this is your destiny. This success in love, in work, in money, it will come, but you also have to put in some little bit of effort. You know, all roads lead to Rome, but Rome was not built in one day, right? Round and round, yeah, you're stuck. Bye, Virgos. Number 25, it could be important. Number 2, Virgos, you need to get out of the mind and move. Mending, yes, friends. Things are going to heal in your love life as well as your finances. So don't worry, Virgos. Keep taking action, which is necessary. You need to take action, which is very important. If you don't take action, you may miss out on opportunities which are coming for you, Virgos. What else you need to keep in mind? What else Virgos need to keep in their mind? There is a lot on your mind because the cards are refusing to come out. Oh, Virgos. Going forward, look at that. You need to go forward. Say yes to love, say yes to happiness, say yes to money coming your way. Move forward. Yes, keep moving forward, keep taking charge. Healing chaos. Oh my god, you have 2 cards of chaos. Healing chaos and conflict. Oh my god, Virgos, this is earth-shattering. Okay, healing chaos, yes. Things will heal, friends. Things will heal. And you may say, how will it heal? It's gone so bad. This ending has been tough. This ending, things, how will ever things get better in your life? You are asking. They will get better. Look at this. This is a healing wave coming into your life, Virgo. So don't worry. You have like massive changes, massive positive changes coming towards you, Virgos. Openness, yeah, you need to keep in mind to stay open and work through your emotions and your fears. I find you're a little scared. You're a little scared, Virgo. Don't be scared. Stay positive. I mean, it's tough, but whether you are scared or not, life will eventually happen. But if you take action, it will happen faster. So stay open, let go of your fears, and act. Alright, what else? Let's see, some advice. Okay, that was quick. Ooh, self-employment. Wow, so you could be dealing with somebody who is already a self-employed person because purpose, you see that card, purpose. I know where I am and I know what I'm here to do. Wow. So definitely the advice for you is to focus on improving your career, your finances, and being bold about it, being confident. Don't be so scared about things. Don't be too focused on the past. Don't believe in your fears. Say yes to love because you have a very powerful person who is going to support you in the future, in your work, and in your love life. And your person is also waiting for you to take charge. So go ahead. You are a born entrepreneur and your business is surrounded by magical opportunities. So definitely you and your lover might start a business. You might be musicians, you might be artists, or you have a life purpose together. You and your person. So get to work. Get to work, Virgos. Get to work. Oh my god, we'll not take all of them because there are too many. I'll shuffle again. Whew. Any advice for Virgos? Okay, simplify your life. Yeah, exactly what I was telling you. This is a perfect time to simplify your life and not worry too much. Let go of the past, let go of the doubts. It is easier said than done, but still, eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow of activities. So, yeah, let go of the past and say yes to love, say yes to happiness, say yes to money coming your way. Don't doubt yourself. That's what I feel. You are doubting yourself a lot. Let's take some romance angels messages. Make the effort. See, exactly, Virgos. You need to come out of your comfort zone. Also, this is a destined relationship. This is something that's destined for you and not just for you, but for the world. So you need to make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. And even if you are single right now, this relationship is coming. The relationship that will have a purpose for you and the world or this person. So look for it. Make the effort. Great love. Find. I also feel, Virgos, you need to understand where you are stopping yourself in allowing love to come your way. New love, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So I do feel if you don't, maybe a new lover is also coming your way. I also feel that, this person and you had a past and an ending. But things will begin in a new way now. In a very powerful way. So get ready, because it comes with make the effort. So things are going to things are going to heal and work in a magical way. But it will happen only when you are ready to make the efforts and come out of this energy. Let's clarify the new lover. Is a new lover coming for Virgos? Nah, 5 of Cups. Yeah, the past person is coming and look at that. Marriage. Yeah, you're gonna marry that person, friends. This is your destined person. It may take some time because certainly I see you are not feeling very sure, very confident about any area of your life. But they are missing you, you are missing them, and look at that. Yes, marriage is gonna happen. This is your twin flame. Get to work, Virgos. This person, all roads lead to this person. You can take whichever road you like, Virgos, but eventually you're gonna meet with this person and merge and make a home with them. So that's amazing. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Bye for now. Mystic C saying bye bye.